I see you. It's a green basilisk. It's checking me out. Banded gecko? That right there is a red-eyed croc skink. There's a crocodile mixed with a skink. Oh, hey, wait your head. Wait your head. So one of these emerald swifts is on the ceiling of its environment. That's what they look like. Angry pinecone? But they're gidgy skinks. Gidgy skinks. Angry pinecone? You can barely see her in there. I see there. That's a leopard gecko. Female. Kind of blurry, but that is a pygmy monitor. It just went and hid. And we got the leopard gecko boy. Handsome boy. So that is an albino Cuban anole.